Before we begin, I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring another video of mine. If you haven't heard of Skillshare already, it is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creatives and curious people. There are classes on animation, graphic design, illustration, and photography, just to name a few. So whether you're looking to hone in on an existing skill or learn something entirely new, Skillshare is a place to get lost in your own creativity. A Skillshare course that I'm interested to take at the moment is called Creative Identity: Finding Your Style by Andy J. Pizza. Great name, by the way. But this class is all about taking the mystery out of finding your artistic style. The class says whether you're a designer, filmmaker, writer, or musician, unlocking your style is the key to feeling fully at home in what you make. And this class will help you do that through Andy's personal experiences with finding his style and 5 hands-on exercises throughout the class. The first 1,000 people to click the link in my description will get a free 1-month trial of Skillshare's ad-free premium membership. Thanks again, Skillshare, and now let's get into the video.